Alrighty guys, this is the new camper I've been working on. I got rid of the old one. This is a much better construction. It's lighter and stronger. It's obviously a pop top. The camper walls are actually fiberglass and foam construction. The rear and front walls, along with the roof and door, are 1/4 inch maple with fiberglass over it. These are 80-pound gas struts on each side to lift the roof. Comes down nice and lightweight, and lifting it is very easy too. And I have that to lock in the roof just for added support. I just purchased the canvas. It's 600 denier canvas, so that'll be coming in next week. I'll probably do a video on that. The interior is getting there. Just generic plastic flooring you'd get at Lowe's or Home Depot. I still need to do some of the interior panels. I'm gonna have 3 cubbied holes with just some netting in front of them. Right back here I'm gonna be doing my battery compartment and electrical system. So I will have a little cabinet up here I can lift up to access all that. And then on this side I'll probably do some more cabinetry and some area to store some more stuff. Here will be a seat with all cushions and the bed. I may make a swing out to make the bed a little wider. Just use the generic RV windows you can find on eBay or Amazon. I'll putting another on this side. I may do a porthole window, small circular window on the back. But yeah guys, just some more interior stuff I have to do, and the canvas, and I'm gonna be building my own camper jacks to get it up into the truck. Still going in the 1st gen Tundra over there. So yeah, make sure you subscribe if you want to stay up to date and see more videos on this progress. Thanks guys.